If you ride your bike regularly, this is one gadget that's definitely worth keeping with you. This is the Rockbros mini electric bike pump, and I was honestly surprised by how small it is. It weighs just over 5 ounces, so it easily fits into a jersey pocket, saddlebag, or backpack without adding any noticeable weight. Even though it's compact, it feels really solid with its aluminum body and protective silicone sleeve. Using it is incredibly simple. Just connect the hose, choose your desired tire pressure on the digital LED display, and press the power button. It automatically inflates your tire and shuts off once it reaches your preset PSI, so there's no guesswork and no risk of overinflating. It delivers up to a 120 PSI, making it suitable for road bikes, mountain bikes, any bikes. It also includes adapters for both Presta and Schrader valves, plus a ball needle, so you can even inflate sports balls. I also like how quickly it works. It can inflate a typical road bike tire to riding pressure in about a minute, which is much easier than using a traditional hand pump, especially if you're on the side of the road. The built-in rechargeable battery charges with USB-C and provides enough power for several tire inflations before needing to be recharged, making it a great option for rides, commutes, or weekend adventures. One helpful tip: if you're inflating tires above 100 psi, use the included extension hose. It helps create a better seal and it prevents air from escaping. Overall, I think this is one of those cycling accessories you hope you never need, but you'll be really glad you have it when you do. It's lightweight, easy to use, accurate, and compact enough to take on every ride. Thank you to Rockbros for sending me this mini electric bike pump to try and share with you today.